And I want to further say that if your goal is to make money through your podcast, if you want people to maybe hire you as a coach or a mentor or join your program or join your mastermind or your online coaching or whatever it is, if that's your goal and people don't know who you are, it's going to be real challenging for them to want to dare to put their money with you because they're not quite sure. There's this dissonance. There's this, it's not adding up. Do they have skeletons in their closet? I don't know if I can trust them. There's going to be this huge element of them not being clear on who you are because you're trying to be too perfect. And that's going to actually make people listen to your podcast even less. But if they do listen, they might not still be able to put their money with you. They might not be able to hire you. So just be yourself, be natural. It took me forever to just come to terms with that I'm not perfect, that's okay. And it took me a long time to come to terms with I might use innuendos that are going to offend people. I might talk about something. Maybe for you, it could be religion. Maybe it could be politics. Maybe it could be that you're into yoga, but your listener's into CrossFit and these are battling ideas or something. Whereas you got to understand you're going to attract your people and repel the wrong people. So it can help you sift through that and make sure that you're really close with your actual listener.